In this tutorial, I will show you how to use BorderPane. Let's create a new project. BorderPane, you can place UI components to top, bottom, left, right, and center. So let's create one package called image, so that I can place 4 images. Okay. You don't need to use image here, so let me close it. Let's add JavaFX 15 library. FX SDK library. Apply OK. FXML, we can open it in SceneBuilder. So here, copy, remove grid pane. Let's drag and drop BorderPane. Add the controller. As you can see, we have 5 sections: top, left, center, right, and bottom. So let's add ImageView. I will drag and drop directly to top, another one left, and then I will go to right hand side, and then bottom. Center one, I will use label. So I will add 4 images surrounding label. So each time when you click the different images, it's going to show you different score. Then we can adapt the score too. So I just add the FX ID for label, got it as a score. Image, I will add them in order, chase. Let me add FX ID, ImageView chase, LV chase. Okay, gem, LV gem. Jelly, LV jelly. Okay, pancake. So LV pancake. So this time I'm going to add mouse click event handler. So I will name it as a handle LV pancake. For jelly, handle LV jelly. Handle LV cheese. Last one I will name it as a handle LV jam. Okay, save it. Example fxml here. We can create a data field. Image view. Next image view for gem. Create field again. create field for pancake, and then one more left for label. Let me change to private, copy, paste it, let's replace them all. Now we can add fxml annotation. Once you change from public to private, you need to add fxml annotation called fxml. So now we are going to add event handler methods. Next one for gem, for jelly, then pancake. For the implementations, let's say cheese is 10 score. So let's say 10. Let me say double score equal to 0.0. It'll be a set. We can say score. So that double value got to be changed to be string. So let's say score plus wrapper class called string value of, so that we can convert to string value. We do the same thing for the jam, and then jelly and pancake. Let me change the score to be 20, then 30 and 40. Build project. Okay, successful. Edit configurations. Add VM options. Here, module path. Copy. Paste it. Add the modules. JavaFX controls. JavaFX FXML. Apply, okay. Load it. Let me enlarge it. So this is BorderPane. So you have left, right hand side, and then top and bottom. So if you click cheese, it's going to add number 10. If you click jelly, add correct. If you click pancake, it's going to add 40. So here jam is 20, 100. So you can just simply click, then it's going to add them numbers. That's the idea of using BorderPane. That's all. Thank you.